A cast of former male High Court judges look down on them as they prepare their appeal to Australia's highest court. Tasmanian defence lawyers Kim Baumeler and Phillippa Willshire are hoping to make history. They've been granted special leave by the High Court to appeal a criminal case. The all-female defence team is a first for Tasmania and possibly Australia.
To appear in front of judges who, as you say, are the top legal minds in Australia and to argue matters in front of them is definitely a daunting prospect.
They're asking the High Court to decide whether mistaking someone's age can be used as a defence in drug charges, not just in sex crimes.
We can potentially change law in Australia.
The highest level of the legal profession is still dominated by men, despite women working hard to balance the scales of gender equality.
While they may be getting low value, lower importance matters, they're still not getting the really big, sort of huge civil litigation briefs or the big sexy criminal briefs. Those are still going to, generally men.
Ms Baumeler and Ms Willshire say it's never been a problem for them.
I certainly have never felt that I haven't been respected for the bench because of the fact that I'm female. I don't see anyone treating me any differently because I'm female or not.
Having females taking things to the High Court is, again, certainly is an achievement, but I think the landscape has changed within the profession from when I first started.
The High Court hears only a handful of criminal appeals each year. 2004 was the last time it considered one from Tasmania. Ms Baumeler and Ms Willshire have already convinced the High Court to agree to hear their case, the first of the two-stage process to get a case before Australia's top judges. They've now been told by the Legal Aid Commission it wants someone else to take over and has suggested a male QC from Queensland.
Look, if we look at it from a gender perspective, yes, of course it's upsetting because essentially it's hard to understand it as any other way than you're not competent to do it.
Many in the Tasmanian profession believe it's a bad look and a slight on the ability of the state's lawyers.
For the High Court to take you seriously, you need to know your argument and you need to be able to argue it. And that doesn't require someone with a name attached to it. It does require someone from Tasmania.
The Legal Aid Commission says no final decision has been made, but it's about making sure its funds are used effectively and efficiently and giving the appeal the best chance for success. Edith Bevan, ABC News.